Welcome friends in Gopinathji Mahila College, Shihor. My name is Professor Ajay Dodia. Today we learn compulsory English unit number 1. In a previous lecture we learned about the unit number 1, the marriage proposal. This play has a very simple plot. It has only 3 characters. They are Chubokov and his 25 years old unmarried daughter Natalia and their bachelor neighbor Lomo. So now we discussed in this lecture short note quarrel between the quarrel over meadows and the quarrel between Lomo and Natalia. So let's start the short note, the quarrel over meadow. Lomo Gorgesio dressed place a visit to the house of his neighbor Shubokov. He intended to propose marriage to his daughter Natalia. As you know, I repeat, here his intention is very clear of Lomo. Only intention for marriage proposal. Then he went to the Shubakov's house. He intends to propose marriage to his daughter Natalia, but his excitable temperament leads him into a quarrel with her over the ownership of the piece of the land. So now they are talking about piece of the land, Lomo and Natalia. He claims that particular piece of land was only handed over to the peasants of Shubakov's grandparents for temporary use. As you know, all the land already exists and hosted by the Lomo, but now Lomo's grandparents used to need to only for to grandparents for the temporary use. Natalia disputes this claim. They quarrel. Shubakov support Natalia's stand. Natalia launches a scathing attack on Lomo. She tells him that he is fit only to work at potato peelings in kitchen. To her, he is incapable of his many sports of fox hunting and horse riding. Her father thinks his housekeeper's word is the law in the Lomo's household. Now Lomo wanted to marriage proposal and want to marriage with Natalia, but both are quarreling for the first reasons of the meadow. They attack him widely. They drive him out. Thus, the proposal of marriage is not put before the girl. So this time, Lomo was not considered and do not take a proposal to the girl. Confusion becomes worse when his claims are hotly disputed first by the Natalia and then by her father. He is driven out. At that time, the quarrel was too high. The father of Natalia, Shubakov, was driven out to the Lomo. But on the learning that he had come to propose her, she calls him back. Now the reality, now Natalia knew about the reality. They compromised, but again fell out about their dogs. All is well that ends well. All is well that ends well applies also to this play. Shubakov, realizing the need to seize the chance, joins to her hands in marriage. The arguments continues even after the couple exchange their first kiss. And companion flows, but so do the word of abused from the lips of the her and the heroine. So the leads a short note quarrel over meadows between Natalia and Lomo. Second short notes quarrel over dogs. The second time went back to the Lomo to house in Natalia. Once again, both are quarreling for dogs. Let's start the second short note. A marriage proposal is a farcical presentation of human greed and the pride in the precisions. Lomo intends to propose marriage to his neighbor daughter Natalia, but he indulges in a quarrel about a piece of her land and the superiority of his own dog to that of his neighbor. He claims that his dog Ugdi is better than Shubakov's dog's Utkai. According to him, Utkai has a shorter lower jaw and hence it is unable to snap. He has paid 125 rubles for his Ugdi. He considered Ugdi is a wonderful dog and cheap at the price. So both are quarrel for dog. Shubakov's dog name Utkai and Lomo's dog name is Ugdi. Natalia thinks the amount is too much for such a dog. Her father paid only 85 rubles. Here is the 85 rubles given for his Utkai, a much better dog than Lomo's Ugdi. Utkai is still young, but there is no better dog when in the pack or on the leash. According to her, Ugdi is a mongrel. Mongrel એટલે સંક્રમણ જાતિનો. And nobody knows his pedigree. અને એનો કોઈ ઉત્ક્રાંતિ ક્યાંથી થઈ એનો કાંઈ ખ્યાલ નથી. પેડિગ્રી એટલે he is old and ugly and as skinny as an old dog. Lomo is ingratiated at Natalia. He asserts એટલે સંપત્તિ that dogs like Utkai can be found by the dozens at any dealers and that he would not take 5 Utkatai for one Ugdi. Natalia does not lag for behind and asserts that Utkai is 100 times better than Lomo's silly Ugdi. So 100 times better than this dog. She says it is time that Ugdi should be shot. He just cannot be compared with her dog. Shubakov is more wily than his daughter. He lists Ugdi's good points. First, he says that he has good stride and strong haunches, but he has two faults. He is old and he is a short lower jaw. As a counter to this, Lomo remains his neighbor that his Ugdi kept pace with the Utkadai and another dog. He is points out that all the other dogs were on the fox's scents, but Utkai had bitten a sheep. Thus it goes until upset by heated arguments. Lomo falls in a faint. All is well that ends up well applies also to this play. Shubakov, realizing the need to seize the chance, joins to their hands in marriage. The arguments continues even after the couple exchange their first kiss and Compagin also, but so do the words of abuse from the lips of the hero and heroine.